Good morning, babes. Happy Thanksgiving. I am in my plant room, also known as my upstairs bathroom. Let's do a quick rotation of everyone in here so you can see them. I'm about to head downstairs and finish preparing Thanksgiving dinner. I don't know where my tripod is, aka it's underneath a bunch of stuff and my husband's still asleep, so I'll get it later. So you're just gonna have to rock out on a shelf or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get downstairs. But first I need to go into our extra bedroom, do all my parents' stuff so I can find like a couple of containers and other stuff I want to use for today. So let's go do that first. All right, guys, so we will get into the details of all these things here in another video. But right now I am looking for, okay, stuff like this for me to cook with today. Trays to put stuff on. There is a big like Thanksgiving platter in here somewhere, so I need to find that. And then we'll head downstairs. So I'm gonna make a quick breakfast for the kids, and then I'll get back to cleaning everything up. Here's the babies. Say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!
Oh, there's my husband working all hard trying to fix the oven. While we are still working on the stove dilemma, this is the turkey plate that was in that container. I just washed it. Oh my god, I'm making it out. Oh my god, it's humongous. And no, I'm not even making a turkey, I'm making a chicken. But like, it's super cute and I'm gonna use it anyway. I really want to put the chicken in the oven, but if we can't get this fire to stay on, then I'm gonna have to put it in the air fryer. The streamings are about to go on. I just got the broth cooking now. That's my tea because I keep not drinking it, letting it get cold. I need to take out, yeah, let's do that. Let's take out mashed potatoes. Oh, I'm gonna put y'all down because I'm dropping stuff. Mashed potatoes, I started last night. It's bacon. Double eggs and sweet potatoes. Huh? I mean, I only did a little bit.
I'm saying, but it was only 5 eggs. Some people bought that back.
Yes. Alright, y'all. I just put the streamings in. I'm gonna let these simmer for a while before I move them to. It's not a crock pot. I got a food warmer that I'm gonna end up putting the sweet potato, the streamings, and I can't remember. I made a list. Let's look at the list. Hold up. I tell how disoriented and all over the place I am. Lord Jesus, I'm tired. I am sick, but I want to do a full thing. So, all right. So I made my list yesterday, right? So the candy yams, but we got sweet potatoes. So the candy sweet potatoes, because there's a difference. Did y'all know there's a difference? They're not the same thing. So I cut and peeled them yesterday. Peeled, cut, boiled them yesterday. I'm gonna put them in the warmer and cook them in there. Or I could do it on the crock pot. But then I'm going to have to transfer them to the warmer, so I'm going to just go straight to the warmer. Mashed potatoes, I'm going to put in, I think I got a small pretty bowl to put them in. The mac and cheese, I'm thinking about putting it in the warmer after I cook it in the oven. There's my tea for like the 10th time. I'm going to drink it first. Oh, it's hot! Okay. Mac and cheese, I can use one of those pans I just bought from upstairs to put that in the oven. I was really worried because I only got that one clear one. And I was going to put something else in there. I don't know. Double eggs. I can use one of the pretty platters. The green beans. I'm going to put those in the warmer after they finish cooking on the stove. The cornbread. That's what it was. So that other glass pan, I'm going to put the cornbread in that one. The whole chicken is going to go in that big platter. My ham is going to go... I wrote down clear square container, but that I can't cook in that. I can cook it in one of those other pans. They ain't enough. But then I think I want to make some cookies because I don't have nothing for dessert. I got ideas for dessert, but we don't really have no stuff. I'm really about to Chef Boy or Desi it up to make some dessert. So bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. But yeah. Alright, let me drink this tea for real. Now I am skinning. Is that the word? Peeling my apples. I'm gonna make a little like fruit medley cobbler. It's literally just gonna be fruit. I used to make cobblers a lot. Back when Hayden was a baby. It's just gonna be mixed fruit. And then I thought about using the pancake batter, but I have croissant rolls, so I'm gonna use those as the crust. Yeah. Chop these up. Make a little like syrupy cinnamon, brown sugar, nutmeg mix. Put that for butter, put it in the pan, and then put the croissant rolls over top, and then probably more butter and cinnamon on the top, and then let that cook. And that'll be a dessert. I do have some chocolate chips in the fridge, but I don't know if I'm in the mood to make chocolate chip cookies. I also thought about making some like monkey bread for breakfast this morning, but that didn't happen. So, I mean, I can still do it, or I can just wait and save that for Christmas or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm peeling apples right now. I almost wish I would have checked it before I turned the stove on, but we have fire, guys. I can use the oven. Yay! Alright, y'all, so just that quick, I changed my mind. I'm gonna make mini apple pies instead. Harper is helping me roll out the dough, and I already started with the apples on the stove. Oh yes, I told y'all. See, fire is working. We just got to put the cover back in there. Yeah, we're just gonna make mini apple pies instead. I got the apples going. Give us a few minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it down so it's still simmer so they can get all sticky and gooey, you know. And then fill them up in the hot crust and put them in the oven. So yeah. All right, y'all. I don't know how we got here, but we're gonna boom. So basically, I'm just gonna take the filling and then put it here, right? And then I'm gonna pinch them to make it like. Oh, is it sticky? What is happening? To make it like close. Alright, y'all, so if the day wasn't already hectic enough, it was at this point that everything started going haywire. My phone ended up running out of storage, so I started recording on Instagram stories and saving everything to my phone. But the apple pie started out really good. I just cooked them based on the instructions of the croissants. I put the ham in the air fryer to let it cook. String mates came out perfectly. The chicken took absolutely forever to cook because the oven was not working, and it took a while before I realized that it wasn't working. Sweet potatoes, I took them out of this warmer and set this entire pot into the oven to get the crisp, the glaze, the like candy part of it, so that was good. Mashed potatoes, I ended up burning the bottom of them because I was waiting for the chicken to come out and I was trying to reheat them. String mates were perfect. The chicken ended up coming out good after I had to like cook it triple time, flip it, rotate it a few times, whatever. Gravy was good. The double eggs were amazing. I used my family's recipe, and I really wish I could have recorded that, so I'm a little irritated about that. The ham, I made sure the edges was nice and crispy, added the honey butter glaze, all that to it, macaroni and cheese. Again, the fire is open on the bottom, so it crisps it at the bottom instead of on top. My cornbread came out perfectly. My cobbler crispy on the bottom instead of on the top. I use cinnamon, which is why the bread is dark. And those are mini apple pies. This is our sweet tea using my mom's glasses and stuff, and then the sparkling cider that we got for the kids. And then I just had my husband cut everything up, and prepare everyone's plates. I just hung out while they ate because I was so tired at that point. So by the time they were done, I actually decided to go ahead and sit down and eat. Food was really good. We had a great evening, and I hope you guys enjoyed your time with your family.